What you're seeing is Ghost Crop Oracle, a real-time AI system that uses satellite imagery, weather data, and government records to automatically detect crop distress among farmers in Ganjam district, Odisha. Instead of waiting for a farmer the fi- to file a claim, the system proactively identifies suffering crops and brings them to a revenue officer for review. Let me walk you through the live system. This is our live alert dashboard. You can see the total number of land parcels being monitored and how many are currently flagged for distress. Those are the red ones. Each red polygon is a farm plot. The shade of red indicates severity, dark red is critical, medium red is high, light red is alert level. Then when I hover, you can see the UL pin code, crop type area, and the distress code. This plot is flagged for immediate review. On the right, we have a live updating alerts queue. These are all the pending distress cases sorted by urgency. The system refreshes every 30 seconds. Each entry shows the UL pin, village, crop type, distress code, and how many days ago the alert was triggered. This is plot overview tab. These are the pending plots loaded for quick access. The red dot means high priority. Click any one to instantly load its pool data. This is the plot intelligence panel. Here the officer can directly see the plot according to the UL pin. This is the NDVI timeline, normalized difference vegetation index, essentially a satellite measure of how green and healthy the crop is. You can see the baseline and the sharp drop that triggered the alert. This is the core signal. The distress index is computed from four factors: 40% from NDVI crop health, 30% from weather context, including drought index and rainfall deviation, 15% from Maganrega job demand surge in the taluka, a socio-economic signal, and the remaining weight come from the crop calendar stage multiplier. All four must agree before a case reaches the review screen. This is the beneficiary panel. The system has cross-referenced the plot owner with multiple government databases: PM Kisan, beneficiary list, KCC loan records, e-Shram card, and Maganrega job card data. Critically, the system identifies whether the actual farmer is the landowner or a tenant or sharecropper. This matters enormously for insurance payouts. The PMFBY claim must go to the actual cultivator, not just the land record holder. Each data source is flagged independently. This prevents ghost beneficiaries, a major issue in traditional paper-based systems. When the officer approves, three things can happen simultaneously. One, the accountability ledger records this decision with a cryptographic DSC hash, making it tamper-proof. Two, a PMFBY insurance claim is automatically generated and pre-filled. Three, the farmer is notified. Let's see that ledger entry now. Notice the confirmation notification. Plot approved successfully. Decision record triggered is recorded in ledger. This is auditable. This is the officer's personal decision history. Every action is immutably logged with timestamps, DSC hash, and PMFBOI claim IDs. We can filter by decision type. Each approved case has a payout status. You can see whether the insurance payout has been received or is still pending. Clicking view brings up the full satellite evidence bundle that backed this decision. The actual Sentinel-2 image of the farm, the NDVI computation, and the 4 model AI breakdown. And with one click, the officer can export a full audit report as CSV. Sorting by distress index brings the most critical cases to the top. We can filter specifically for tenant cultivated plots. These are the most economically vulnerable farmers and get priority treatment. When I use the UL pin plots, it gives the list of UL pins. Same goes for distress signals, the distress stress alerts, officer decisions, accountability ledger, as well as weather observations. Is the system health dashboard. In our seeded database, 2,765 active plots being monitored, nearly 40,000 weather observations recorded, 246 alerts generated, 103 officer decisions made, and the most recent officer decisions, including which officer made them, and their DSC signature hash.